In today's construction and design industry, the pressure to deliver faster, cheaper, and better results is more intense than ever. Rising labor costs, strict timelines, and the unpredictable nature of project workloads create a constant challenge for firms that are trying to remain competitive. On top of this, material prices fluctuate, regulatory requirements grow more complex, and clients expect flawless delivery at reduced costs. Traditional approaches often fall short, as recruiting and training engineers is expensive and time-consuming, while turnover disrupts stability and forces teams into a costly cycle of hiring and retraining. Have you found effective ways to manage costs while keeping projects on track? Tell us about it in the comments. The smartest cost-saving strategies are no longer about cutting corners or lowering standards. They are about creating smarter systems that reduce waste, maintain consistency, and optimize resources. Outsourcing has become one of the most effective answers, but not all outsourcing partners deliver the same value. The key lies in finding a partner who can provide stability, quality, and scalability while ensuring that project information remains secure and timelines are accelerated rather than delayed. Outsourcing, when done strategically, can become a true cost-saving approach, and AXA Engineers has shown how to make this transformation possible. With a team of more than 80 engineers and CAD specialists, the company works as a dependable extension of design firms across the globe. Its guiding philosophy, where engineers thrive, not just perform, shapes a workplace culture that motivates professionals to stay, grow, and deliver exceptional results. By building Vietnam's top workplace in 2025, AXA Engineers has achieved an impressive 97% retention rate, ensuring a stable and engaged team. This consistency preserves valuable knowledge within the organization, minimizing delays, avoiding the loss of expertise, and eliminating the need to constantly retrain new staff. For firms handling long-term infrastructure and development projects, this reliability translates into a significant and lasting advantage. Quality assurance is another area where AXA Engineers stands out. Instead of treating quality as a final check, AXA Engineers integrates it into every stage of the workflow. A strong quality assurance framework, a culture of continuous improvement, and US-based training programs guarantee that every deliverable meets the most rigorous standards of the American market. This proactive approach prevents errors from snowballing into costly revisions. For example, a design that passes smoothly through approvals without the need for rework not only saves money but also accelerates construction schedules and enhances client trust. By focusing on prevention rather than correction, AXA Engineers reduces delays and builds confidence with clients who know that every drawing will be accurate, reliable, and ready for approval. Time efficiency is equally important in cost-saving strategies. AXA Engineers operates with a dual-shift model and leverages a favorable time zone advantage, allowing projects to move forward even while clients are resting. This effectively shortens timelines and enables firms to accept more projects without overwhelming their internal teams. Imagine a scenario where a client sends markups at the end of the business day and wakes up to see progress already made overnight. This is the advantage of working with AXA Engineers. Fixed personnel overhead is converted into a variable cost, which means resources can be scaled up or down depending on demand, ensuring firms remain financially agile in both busy and quiet seasons. Beyond systems and efficiency, credibility matters. AXA Engineers has earned international recognition from some of the most respected organizations in the industry. Being honored as an Autodesk success story and featured by the American Society of Civil Engineers has validated the capability, integrity, and global impact of AXA Engineers. This recognition proves that clients are not just outsourcing work. They are partnering with an organization that is shaping the future of engineering collaboration. For firms seeking a long-term partner, this credibility provides assurance that AXA Engineers is not only reliable, but also trusted by leaders across the industry. So, are you missing out on the smartest cost-saving strategies for civil projects? The answer depends on whether you are still trying to handle every challenge in-house or whether you are ready to embrace proven solutions that deliver stability, quality, and growth. With AXA Engineers as a partner, cost savings are not just numbers on a budget sheet. They become opportunities to take on more ambitious projects, to deliver superior designs, and to build a future defined by efficiency, excellence, and sustainable success. If this perspective resonates with you, don't hesitate to reach out to AXA Engineers or continue the conversation by sharing your thoughts below. Every idea helps move the industry forward.